ships a day. When it's all done, we'll have capacity to hold up to 10 to 12 ships a day.
Really?
Wow. That's what they're striving for. So they're working on it, 24/7, trying to get it done as expeditiously as possible.
When is the
due date?
When is the due date?
Well, they want it to be finished by next year.
Wow.
So look, that's why you see so much of work going on. They're working on it real fast.
Wow. How did you guys feel about it becoming such a big commercialized area? Was that okay with you all?
Well, seeing that the Bahamas is really leading the Caribbean in tourism,
Mm-hmm.
and then as a matter of fact, the whole region,
Mm-hmm.
you gotta stay on top of your game because other countries coming to try and take this spot, so you would have to be able to adapt
Okay.
to the new habitats, because to me, what I really would like for them to do is create the old with the new. Like, people come to the island, they still want an island feeling.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to leave in America to come to the Bahamas to feel like you still in Miami.
Right.
You get what they say? Yeah. Because if you fly out of part of Miami, when you get here, you don't want to look as this is the same. No. It's something new, innovative, and unique, but keep it islandy, like that island feel. Like,
right,
so when you come here, well, hey, I'm on the island. I'm not in the Americas. Because this is what the islands is all about. But when you take that away from the island, you take away the history, the feel, the looks, the spirit, the island experience. That's the word they want to use. You take that away from the island, and people come to the island for the island experience, not for the city experience. They live in the city. That's why they run it out of the city. You want that laid back,
That island vibe.
island. But we go to Twin Brothers Radio. I guess we come down so you can get us recording going on.
Is it easy to get a cab from over here?
Wouldn't be a problem. I guess if you give me a time when I come to get you, I'll give you my card.
Okay.
I'll have the lady just call me,
Okay.
and I'll just swing over and get you guys.
Okay.
Royalty, my heart go pit. No problem at all. My name is Mr. Happy. Welcome to Food Locals. So please try.
Thank you.
You're ready for some local Bahama cooking. That's what we do. Fix and makers.
Good morning, how are you? All right.
Guys. Sirius and I are sitting here in Nassau, Bahamas at the Twin Brothers Seafood Restaurant. And let me tell you, the food is delicious. If you get the opportunity to come to the Bahamas and do some localized events, some localized sightseeing, definitely put Twin Brothers on your radar because the food is definitely on point.
Hi, honey. How you doing?
All right, yourself?
Welcome to the Bahamas.
Thank you.
You're very friendly here, and I'm also a taxi driver when you're ready. Come on, my little sister. She lost her manners, lost her hand, lost her sense.
please.
Just like that, we are back at the ship. We had an amazing day touring the island of Nassau. Like I said earlier, we did a short, very short local tour, and then we went to lunch at Twin Brothers. That was basically the reason why we got off the ship to lunch.
Very hot.
It is. Thank you. And we accomplished this, that we had lunch at Twin Brothers, and it was delicious. If you get the opportunity, I promise you, you will not be disappointed, and you can thank us later.
No.